Nobody likes software subscriptions that can drain your wallet faster than you realize. But you don't need to pay a fortune to get high-quality tools. There's a world of free software out there that can handle everything from streaming to design, productivity, and even security. These aren't just budget-friendly alternatives, they're powerful tools in their own right. I've included all the download links for these programs in the description below this video so that you can access them right away. Let's jump into some of the best free software you need to know about. If you're a content creator or streamer, OBS Studio is a game changer. It's a free, feature-packed tool for live streaming and screen recording. Whether you're gaming, teaching, or hosting webinars, OBS has you covered with custom scenes, overlays, and multi-platform streaming. No watermarks, no limits, just professional-grade tools for free. Need an Office suite without the hefty price tag? WPS Office Suite is your answer. It's fully compatible with Microsoft Office files and comes with additional features including free PDF editing and built-in templates. It's sleek, fast, and gives you all the functionality of paid software without the cost. For creatives, Blender is a powerhouse. Professionals in the film and gaming industries utilize this free 3D modeling and animation software. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Blender's robust features and supportive community make it an unbeatable choice for creating stunning visuals. And if video editing is your thing, DaVinci Resolve is a must-try. This Hollywood-grade software offers advanced editing and color grading tools, free of charge. It's a bit of a learning curve, but the results are worth every second. When it comes to security, Bitwarden is a lifesaver. This free password manager keeps your login safe and accessible across all your devices. It's open source, secure, and eliminates the hassle of weak or forgotten passwords. For file compression, 7-zip is a no-brainer. It's lightweight, fast, and creates smaller files than most paid tools. With support for formats like ZIP, RAR, and 7Z, and seamless integration with Windows, it's a simple yet essential tool. Audio creators, meet your new best friend, Audacity. This free audio editing software is trusted by podcasters, musicians, and creators worldwide. It's powerful, easy to use, and gives you all the tools you need without costing a dime. If you're into coding, Visual Studio Code is a standout. It's lightweight, customizable, and packed with features like innovative code suggestions and Git integration. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, VS Code has everything you need. For graphic design and photo editing, GIMP is a fantastic free alternative to Photoshop. With advanced tools like layers, masks, and retouching, it's ideal for creating professional quality designs without the need for subscription fees. And finally, VLC Media Player is the ultimate media tool. It plays virtually every video and audio format, converts files, and even streams media. It's reliable, lightweight, and completely free, an essential for any setup. These tools prove that you don't need to spend big to get significant results. If you've got a favorite free tool, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and recommendations. Oh, and before you go, check out my next video, Best Free Software for Every Task. It's packed with even more ways to save money and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching.